Hello everyone, this is a video about setting up your integrated development environment, otherwise known as IDE, and doing your homework with it. So first of all, for people who use Windows or Apple, the easiest way is to go to the corresponding store and find the Python there. Sorry, it works a little slow, but bear with me. Let's find Python. And I think the latest version here is 3.11. And you can click on it. If you don't have 3.11, there is going to be an install button over here. You click on it and install. And follow the instructions, choose the default everything, and that will install both Python and IDLE, which is a light IDE. Now, in order to open idle, I'm going to go here and maybe search idle, press enter, and here is my idle. Again, we'll have to wait for a moment for it to start. Here it is. And this is a console, so this is a shell. And here you can execute one command at a time. I'm just going to quickly show you that you can do it. And I suppose I should have a double L here. Alright, hello. Now, if you want to actually write a program consisting of multiple commands, you need to start a new file and save it, and then write your program here, and then hit run. Not gonna do that. Instead, I'm going to close everything, go to my homework. This is what you will see as homework. And first of all, I'm going to download the starter file. After the first homework, there won't be any starter files. So let me overwrite my starter file here. And maybe I'll put it in some folder that I know about. Here we are. Okay. So if I was to click directly on it, it won't open in idle. It might try to execute. I think that's the default behavior. So instead of opening it from my folder, I'm going to actually, let's click and see. So it wants to open with VS Code because this is like the big idea that I will be using later. And there are other options, and we wanted it to open it with idle. So what we're going to do, we're going to find the idle first. It's actually right here. Here is my idle 3.11. In idle 3.11, I'm going to open the go to my folder, find my file, and open it. It opens in the new window, and we're going to talk what each of these lines means. Basically, it's all comments, they are for humans. And the first task is just to uncomment this line of code. This is clearly a line of code. And then run. And when I run it, it's going to print the statement that I wanted to print over here. And yay, I did the first part of the homework. And that's about it. If you have, for example, Chromebook, then there will be a separate comment on how to do it on Chromebook.